Yeah, it's tough, a tough job coaching Fiji, especially with the legacy Fiji has, and rugby crazy people back home. No matter if it's a young side, they've always expected Fiji to win. But we know we've worked really hard this last couple of weeks, and I know most of my players have been facing a lot of criticism for the last 2 years. You know, we haven't had a World Series title, but we wanted to come to the Olympic and we wanted to defend the legacy. We wanted to keep that legacy going. And we just fell short, but I thank the players for believing in a system. It's not easy to get in. I just want to thank the supporters back home, especially our families who have stuck with us through thick and thin, and to the people back home where sorry we couldn't defend the legacy. We fell short on this effort. But the boys, we promise that we'll work hard when the next Olympics comes around. Whoever is in, whether the boys are in or wherever I may be or Jerry may be, that Fiji will come hunting again.